so excited. I got my reading buddy in the mail. If you guys don't know what a reading buddy is just any stuffed animal you have at your house. Maybe you have a lion, or maybe you have a Forky toy that you really like. Whatever toy you want, it can join you in our reading story time. So read along with me and bring your reading buddy. Hey friends, it's Allison. How are you guys? I hope you have your reading buddy. Get any toy you want. Let's get started. Today we're gonna be reading Dragons Love Tacos. This is one of my favorite books. I'm gonna put my buddy right here. Let's see. Dragons Love Tacos. Move a little bit so you guys can see. This book is by Adam Rubin, illustrated by Daniel Salmieri. Look at that taco right there. Have you guys ever had tacos? I love tacos. This book. Hey kid, did you know that dragons love tacos? They love beef tacos and chicken tacos. They love really big, gigantic tacos and tiny little baby tacos as well. Why do dragons love tacos? Maybe it's the smell from the sizzling pan. Maybe it's the crunch of the crispy tortilla. Crunch, crunch, crunch. Maybe it's a secret. Either way, if you want to make friends with dragons, tacos are key. Hey dragon, why do you guys love tacos so much? Look at him getting in the taco cave. He's getting some tacos from the taco cave. But wait, as much as dragons love tacos, they hate spicy salsa even more. They hate spicy green salsa and spicy red salsa. They hate spicy chunky salsa and spicy smooth salsa. If the salsa is spicy at all, dragons can't stand it. Oh, look at, they're looking at all the spicy recipes. It says, no spicy salsa, a guide to dragon cuisine. Why do dragons hate spicy salsa? Well, just one drop of hot sauce makes a dragon's ears smoke. Beep. Just one single speck of hot pepper makes a dragon snort sparks. Achoo! Whew, look at all that fire he blew out of his nose. All those sparks. Spicy salsa gives dragons the tummy troubles, and when dragons get the tummy troubles, oh boy. If you want to make tacos for dragons, keep the toppings mild. Tomatoes are a good choice. Lettuce, cheese. These are all good toppings for tacos for dragons. We should make tacos later. Hey dragon, how do you feel about spicy taco toppings? Oh, he says my tummy. Oh, hurts my tummy. Look at that funny face. Dragons love parties. They like costume parties and pool parties. They like gigantic parties with accordions and tiny little parties with charades. Why do dragons love parties? Maybe it's the conversation. Maybe it's the dancing. Maybe it's the comforting sound of a good friend's laughter. Ha ha ha. Look at them. Their funny little party and stuff that they got going. Silly dragons. The only thing dragons love more than parties or tacos is taco parties. Taco parties are parties with lots of tacos. If you want to have some dragons over for a taco party, you'll need buckets of tacos, pant loads of tacos. The best way to judge is to get a boat and fill the boat with tacos. That's about how many tacos dragons need for a taco party. After all, dragons love tacos. Look at them all silly there. Whoops. All those things. Hey dragon, are you excited for the big taco party? He is. He's marking his calendar, see, so he doesn't forget. He's gonna show up. He has an invitation in his hand. Just remember, dragons hate spicy salsa. So before you host your taco party with dragons, get rid of all the spicy salsa. In fact, Bury the spicy salsa in the backyard so the dragons can't find it. Look, he's burying it in the backyard, you see? Oh, he's trying to hide it from them. These dragons love your taco party. They love the music, they love the decorations, they especially love the tacos. Congratulations! Everybody's having a good time. Look at these cool taco balloons. Crunching away, everybody. It's a good thing you got rid of all of that spicy. Wait a second. What are those little green things in the salsa? You didn't read the fine print? Look at their face. Uh-oh, he's like, oh dear, what did I do? Totally mild salsa. Now with spicy jalapeno peppers. Uh-oh, it's spicy. Dragons, listen to me. Do not eat those tacos. Those little green specks in the salsa, those are jalapeno peppers. They are super spicy. I know you love tacos, dragons, but you are not gonna love those tacos. Do not let those dragons eat those tacos. Crunch, crunch, crunch. Uh-oh, they're not stopping. They're gonna keep eating it. Uh-oh. Too late. Oh man, look at them. They got the tummy troubles. They have fire bellies. Oh, they burned down the whole house. Look at all the smoke. Look at them. He's like, oh no, my house. This was a crazy taco party. Why would dragons help you rebuild your house? Maybe they're good Samaritans. Maybe they feel bad for wrecking it. Maybe they're just in it for the taco breaks. Look at them eating tacos still. Funny dragons. After all, dragons love tacos. There it is. And that's the end of our book. Thank you guys for everybody who commented. I think I know what I'm gonna name my new reading buddy. I think I'm gonna go with Blueberry because she's blue. This is a Triceratops, so her name could be kind of like Trino or Sarah or something like that. I saw some other good comments, but if you guys want any special books read next week, leave a comment down below and I will try to find it for you. Let's see what I choose. You guys can follow me on Instagram too, and I'll post some videos. Have a good day, stay home and be safe. Goodbye!